Yeah. You ready for the fucking dyno, baby?
What I said? I don't remember what I said. I think
255,
like 250,
I think.
right?
250.
Yeah, 250. You put 93 in here?
Come on, don't try to play me. You put the 93, remember? Be quiet. About to hit the rollers. Damn, this car looks good. Yo, Jamie, what's your guess for horsepower? Type S oil pump, stock 2.4.
What intake now?
RBC.
Where was the motor from? That's my next question.
Automatic TSX from the junkyard.
229.
229?
Yeah.
Damn, that's pretty low. With an oil pump?
What, 229?
You made 231 on the stock Type S.
Yo, what cams this got?
Stock.
Stock cams?
What you gonna go with?
I'm gonna say like 227.
We made 231 on the Type S.
The air quality today is garbage.
Forget what they said. I'm gonna go like 240, 250. I think they lying for the camera, right? I ain't gonna lie to you. We made 231 on a stock Type S. At 2.4, it's probably gonna make less power, but it is like 20 degrees hotter.
Yo,
You feeling alright?
listen, man, I'm feeling okay. I'm just going by what's going on outside. You gotta always take the the outside.
It looks a little windy outside, bro.
Who the fuck are you, the weatherman?
Bro, this air feels real heavy. I feel it on my lungs.
You ain't Jim Jones, bro.
227.
220. Yes, J-Rock clean the injectors.
He's gonna make 240.
240. Oh yeah, now you're gonna change your number now,
I'm
huh?
gonna round mine up.
Yeah, now
I say 230.
I'm gonna go like 245. 245. You guessed I think 250, right? He guessed 255, and J-Rock guessed I think 255.
You guessed 255.
Him.
Damn, bro.
I think J-Rock guessed
I
258.
rounded mine up. I went to 230. 230 isn't bad.
I'll say 240.
240. Yo, we made 231 on a stock Type S. 231 with Jamie.
It was in winter time.
It wasn't. It was
It was
what?
the winter.
10 degrees. 10 degrees less.
Yeah, the winter.
Jamie said 240. I'm gonna go 250. This shit healthy, and it was automatic.
Sure?
Yeah. You won't lick the valve cover.
232.
And this car came out great. Yo, Jamie. Let me guess. He should have checked the fuel pump, huh? Yo, J-Rock. Let me guess. You ain't checked the fuel pump.
That's OEM plus right there.
Damn, bro. Yeah, you hear that thing.
Okay, we'll start the SI up. Start the SI up.
Here we go. I think it's gonna be final pull. Maybe don't need too many pulls to get this car right. Sound good.
Sound healthy.
I'm not even gonna show the horsepower number because you know what it makes.
I definitely know what it makes,
Yeah.
so I'm gonna just leave right now.
Yeah, me too. I'm out of here. That shit sounded crazy. The real question, I keep telling you, does it rip? Let's go. I wanna see you bang the 1-2. Yo, Cat, pull your shit out. Let's go.
Tell the camera how big it is, bro. That's an automatic door box right there.
We gonna find out right now. Let's go. Gonna be first ride in the EG Hatch. Yo, you ready to drive or you lost your touch?
Bro, I drove this car already like 10 times.
Yeah, they need me to drive. Yo, Keys, don't look too hard, bro. Like that Supra, you came in a fucking buggy, don't talk to me. All right, boys, my brother's driving. First ride in the Hatch. About to see if this thing rips, gotta hurry up for a rain. Oh, okay, boy. This thing rips. Holy shit. How the brakes feel?
Feels really good. The car feels really strong too.
2.4s feel a lot stronger than 2.0s. The dyno number, I couldn't really get it because on the last pull the computer died, so I'm pretty sure the car is making about 240 wheel right now. Got a Type S pump kit, stock 2.4. We put a brand new fuel pump in the car, AEM 340, but this thing rips. You gotta remember, the car got R888, so it's not gonna spin like how a regular K car would on street tires, so.
Traffic go a little bit.
Yeah, let this traffic go. Yo, this car rips. Oh man.
Car feels really, really good.
This thing is smooth. No noises over the bumps. Got K2 K1 suspension. All the suspension compartment, all the suspension parts up here are brand new. The car's got alignment, traction bar set up perfect. You gotta make sure you guys, when you guys set an alignment, set the traction bar up because a lot of people do not do that. So, what are we gonna do with this car though? Take it to a car show?
Maybe give it away to somebody too. Maybe after the EK.
Give it away after the EK?
Or maybe should we keep and enjoy it for a little bit?
I think we should enjoy it, man. This car is super dope. Oh my god. This car is an animal. I want you guys to drop in the comments what you guys think right now. What you
I could beat the shit out of this car all day long. This car is so fucking fun.
Man, if you guys don't have a K car, you guys need to get one.
People always ask us why we don't build B series. This is why we don't fucking build B series.
B series does not feel like this. A B series will not give you no smiles like this unless it's turbo. B series versus K series for the win. As far as all motor to all motor, that's why you guys see we only build like K series for all motor setups. They're just great and they're super simple. They're fun as fuck to drive. So if you're watching this, go get yourself a fucking K series. Alright boys, I'm gonna end this video here. Drop in the comments what you guys think of the build. The car from start to finish is probably be the last video you guys see of the car before we start a new build. Make sure to hit that like, comment, subscribe. we'll check in with you guys on the next build.